Hello guys again and welcome back to another unboxing, viewing and testing. And today I have this Parkside one-handed clamp, 150mm, it is the maximum clamping capacity, 2-pack, clamp and spread work pieces with one hand with a clamping force of up to 1200 Newton, with an ergonomic non-slip grip, and more we're gonna find out together. As am I opening this box? Well, it's already opened, and let's unpack. Okay, there's the tool, there's the release button, release that. You can clamp this way or this way, it is your choice, only with one hand. Press again, release that. We've got a 100mm thrower to distribute the clamping force evenly. We've got the clamping surfaces with a cross slot to secure round objects. You can remove that and that. Soft rubber. This is better. It will hold, if that is wood, metal, whatever material you want, it will hold better. It will clamp it better. All the constructions except this bar, it is from metal, this bar. All the other construction, it is plastic. Everything. We've got here 2 screws. And here it is the conversion from clamp to spreader without tools. You can just unlock that, remove that, and you can install it. From this side, goes here, rotate, and it locks. We can see here it says lock and lock. And just like that, you can use it as a spreader. Nice. Perfect. And again, you can just unlock that. And install it here and lock. Press and it can open. Now we've got these 2 woods. Nice. Definitely it is very powerful. It can hold very well these 2 woods. We've got a larger surface and that matters the most. It can hold very well the 2 woods together or any other material. Press this button and release it. Okay. Now, I would like to make a comparison with the oldest models. There is the oldest model. And you can see how small it is. The clamping area, it is quite small. It is I can say 30% compared with that. So small. The unlock button, it is here. And if I'm going to perform the same test for these 2 woods, definitely you can see it's moving around. It doesn't hold so well. Wow. Unbelievable. That version was a piece of crap, definitely. And why is that? Not even it doesn't hold very well these 2 woods, but many times was broken and I have fixed it. You can see I have insert a screw just to hold this, some glue here. Every time that I was trying to clamp something and give more force at the clamping, this area all the time was broken. And then I need to fix all this area just to work with this clamp. Well, definitely it was a piece of shit. That is better. Definitely it can hold very well the 2 woods together. Of course, I don't like that all that is from plastic. I hope it will not break somewhere here, maybe at this handle. I hope not. Well, we will see. I will use it and see how it goes. Well guys, that was all about the new version of one-handed clamp from Parkside. Better version than the oldest version. I like that. Two of these, the cost it is 12 euros. There is another version with 90 centimeter length, the bigger version, and it costs only the 12 euros. And it has a clamping capacity 90 centimeters. This is 15 centimeters. This open area. Nice. Well guys, that was all about. If you want to buy that kind of tool, well, it is your choice. Just buy it and see how it goes. I will check it myself and I will leave down below the description if anything wrong. And with all that guys, this is the end of the video. Thank you again for watching. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. It takes only 1 second, press the subscribe button and done, share this video, you never know who may need it, and hit the notification bell because more videos in the future are coming and you don't want to miss it. Have a nice and lovely day. Bye bye.